Hi guys, and welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to go over our regular and irregular verbs again. Remember, regular means I have to change it for past tense. Irregular means I have to change the entire word when it's past tense. So if I'm changing the word, it's irregular. If I'm not changing it, it's regular. Something you have to just kind of memorize on how to do. Look in your green book. You'll have all the regular and irregular verbs there. No, I'm sorry, not all the verbs, not all the regular verbs, but you will have all the irregular verbs. So look through those and learn how to say them correctly. Okay, so I'm going to switch over my docu camera and we're going to go over all of the verbs on your test. Okay, so here is what we're going to do today. So these are all regular verbs. Remember, if I put past tense for the regular verbs, I just put ed at the end. If it's ed, easy clue that I know it's going to be number 2, past tense. So let's just go through. We're going to try and find all the past tense ones first. Okay, so I'm looking for ed. So I spilled my milk. Ed, it's past tense, so I put number 2. Great job. Do I have an ed here? Nope, so it's not past tense. Ed here? Nope, not past tense. Ed here? Nope, not past tense. How about here? Nope. In here? Nope. Oh my goodness, there's only one past tense. Such a bummer. I was hoping I had more. Okay, now what's a clue for future tense? A clue for future tense would mean it has to have what in front of the verb? Will or shall. Great job. Do I have will or shall here? Will or shall here? No, I do not. How about here? Nope. How about here? The farmer will plant corn. That's right, he will do it. We don't know when, but it's going to happen in the future. So that's going to be number 3. How about the kitten plays with the ball of yarn? Nope. How about they will fix sandwiches for lunch? Do we know when? Nope. We know they're going to do it? Yep, but it's going to be in the future. Great job. That means everything else should be present tense. Let's make sure. Maria carries her lunch. She carries her lunch right now. Yep, that's present tense. Great job. My father owns a wrecked tractor. He owns it right now. He didn't own it previously, and it didn't say he will own it, so he owns it right now. So it is also perfect. And the last one, the kitten plays with a ball of yarn. The kitten plays. Remember, whenever I'm adding an S, it almost always is going to be present tense, right? Whenever I see an S, I'm almost always going to be present tense, and all of those had S's. All right, let's go to our regular verbs. Remember, for our irregular verbs, we're going to change them. So I want to look at, we're going to go through each one this time. So there's not really a great clue for this one. So we're going to go through and just look at everyone. My sister sings in the choir. My sister sang in the choir? She sings in the choir, or she will sing? She sings currently, so it's number 1. Great job. She's currently doing it. I drank my glass of milk. I will drink my glass of milk. I am drinking my glass of milk. So what's it going to be? I drank it. I changed it. So it is past tense. Good job. That verb is actually drink, but I had to change it to drink. All right. We went hiking in the mountains. That should be go. We will go, or we are going, or we went. So went means it happened in the past. That's right. Happened in the past. And number 10, they will freeze ice cream. They will freeze ice cream. Well, if they will do it, it's going to happen in the future. Number 3. We see the sunrise. We see the sunrise. We see it right now. So it's number 1. Perfect. And lastly, he came home. Not he is home, not he is going home, he came home. So it is past tense, so we change that verb, right? All right, you guys are being rock stars. Bow, 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 rock stars. All right, let's move on to, homonyms. That's a new word. Okay, these are also words that we have gone over in class a bit when we were in school. Homonyms are words that are spelled differently. Sorry, they're spelled differently, but they sound the exact same way. But each spelling means something different. Okay, so let's go through the twos. So I have 2, 2, 2. This 2 is the number 2. Like I have 2 dogs. This 2 means I am going somewhere. Can I go to? I would like that too. So this is saying like, yeah, this is something that I am going to or adding on to. Okay, this too is just in relation to. I'm telling you to do something, and it's a helping word. Okay, so I have my dad jogs how many miles every day? Well, it looks like I'm going to use the number 2, right? Please tell me what he's going to do. He's going to jog how many miles? 2 miles. So I need to use the number 2. So I circle the number 2. So that's what I'm using. Okay. Would you like to go to? So I'm looking for the 2. That means in addition to. And that is going to, this is the number 2. I don't need that one. This is just me when I'm helping the sentence. So I need to use in addition to, which is the second 2. All right, number 31. We will go to the park. I don't need the number 2. I'm not talking about in addition to. I'm just helping the sentence. So it's going to be the regular or the short 2. Great job. All right, there's a contraction. So I have it's a beautiful day for possessive, or I have it is a beautiful day for the contraction. Well, I'm not showing possession on a beautiful day. I'm just saying it is a beautiful day. So I'm going to use the contraction it. This is the weird one because it's one of the only words that does not use an apostrophe when showing possession. We use apostrophe for the contraction instead. So that's something that's a little tricky thing you have to know. All right, this is new. Like in your brain, you knew something. You knew knowledge. This is new, like you have something that is brand new. You want a new docket next year. You want a new uniform. This is like, I knew you knew that. I knew you had the knowledge in your head. So new for knowledge, okay, for knowledge, right? My shoes are new. That's right. They are brand new. All right, moving on. There. Oh, we did that yesterday, right? We went over those already. I still have it right here with me. There belongs, there they are, and then I have there is a place. So what one are we doing? I have there. They're working tonight. They're the place, they're the possessive, or they are. It's going to be they are. Great job. All right, do you want your candy? Do you want your possessive candy, or do you want you are candy? You want your possessive candy, right? We're showing possession. All right, and the next one is I will write grandma a letter. This is write, like you're writing something down, and this is right, like you are right. The answer is right. So I want write, like I'm writing grandma a letter, right? So the first one's going to be right. That is the right. Ha, that's silly, right? Moving on. I want to buy a CD. Sorry, off my pen. The first buy is like I am purchasing something. And the next buy is it could be it belongs to somebody or someone created. Okay, that is by John Legend. Miss Johnson wrote that story, so it is by her. But this buy means I am purchasing something. So I want to buy a CD. I want to purchase it. So it's going to be the first buy. All right, and the last one is, did you hear? Hear, like you're hearing something out of your ear, or hear, like there is a place, okay? I am here, you are there. This is a place, this is using your ear. So did you hear the radio report, or did you hear the radio report? We're gonna do number 1. We're hearing with our ear. So that is going to be number 1. I know, those are, let me find you guys again. Sorry. Those are a little bit tricky. I am totally aware of that. I'm going to find a activity to help you guys do online to kind of mess around with it a little bit, and I will add that for tomorrow's lesson so you can kind of use this a little bit to help you. And also use your quizzes so you can remember and you can get that extra practice in. This is something else you kind of just have to memorize. You have to memorize the spelling and what it connects to. But I'm not worried because you guys are so, so smart and you're doing such an amazing job. And we're almost done. You're almost third graders. I'm so happy for you guys. I miss you guys so much. And we'll see you guys later.